So mostly this is how the village looks. Always you can see the bananas here and there. As usual, in an African Guzi, our home is usually they love matoke. That's what I can say maybe. And that is the sunset. It's over there. That's the sunset. The time now is like 4:39. 4:39. Saa kumi na dakika 39. It's over there. The weather had changed, but then we can't. It is not going to rain today. Maybe you can see how it is. So hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate the love. And this is my late parents' home. You can see there's some mitungis, chili cans. We do catchment for the rainwater. Yeah. And that one is a bathroom. Let me show you. This is a bench that you usually relax outside here. Sometimes I usually cook from here, but it was a long time. This is the stone where you can scrub your legs. And this side is this is our bathroom. Yeah, you stand like here. So this is and this is a small tree that is outside there. So thank you so much. Hello, what's up guys? Here I am. It's another evening. So here we have sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki is a kind of vegetable that maybe in English we call it kales, but here at the village we call it sukuma wiki. And so today that's what we are going to have for dinner. So I've just seen like I should show you how we cut it. You can also sell it when you have cut like this. You can sell it at the market. There are some other people who buy it while being cut like this at the market or at the small groceries. Yeah, it's not that big because it's fresh from the garden. So I feel like we should do like the cutting. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Shall give it a like, share to your friends. I know you have amazing friends today. I have just a very simple video here, but you can get used to the village. And usually these ones here, we can have it with ugari. Yeah, that's it's a normal sukuma. Sukuma means the whole week. And week means a week. That's why it's called sukuma wiki. So this is how we cut it. And you have to be careful. Yeah. There are other people who sell it at the market like this when you have cut so that you go and cook it straight away. So like other people, they don't like the stem, so they just cut it off and they cut it off like the way I'm going to do it here. So when you are having sukuma wiki, there are those ones other people that they usually fry it with onions and tomatoes. Also, you can cook it without tomatoes, or you can use only the onions with salt and other spices, roiko. I don't know what. I don't know how you may cook it yourself. Maybe if you are in Kenya, you know what I'm talking about. Sukuma wiki. Maybe outside there, they usually have spinach. That is it. Yeah. So thank you all for being here. You can there is other stuff that I want to show you here. Here we have also coffee. This one's all ripe. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to do a video of plucking it. They are very ripe here. We don't have like a lot of trees because our main cash crop is the tea leaves. So we don't have much of it. But then, like tomorrow, I'm going to take some time to come and black it out. It's another one for coffee. Yeah. So there is another one here. Usually we have this the trees that are very long because I can see there are like two types, if not three. We have ruil, which is short, this size here, but then this one is long because you can see it is from here up here. So tomorrow I'll have like take my time, even like yesterday. I had like we had doing a blacking tea because if you are new here and you can just go back, there is other videos that I've taken of blacking the tea leaves. Yeah, this is coffee. So tomorrow I'm going to take a little bit of time so that we can come and black this coffee. Yeah, even if we don't have that much, because if it is 2 kgs, you have to make sure you put it like together, and then you shall go and weigh it so that if even you can sell it to someone who has a number that is dealing with the weighing of the coffee. Yeah. So this one here. So like other times, some years back, we had like planted the coffee, but then it lost its value. So we had seen like we could plant some tea. This is tea because we planted yesterday. That's why you're seeing it being green like this. It should be yellow apple because maybe it is, you should look yellow when it is ready for plucking. Also we have the bananas. Yeah, that is it. Like the weather is changing, otherwise you can hear the thunderstorm. You can hear the thunderstorm like it wants to rain. So hope you enjoy the video. Actually, you can leave a comment as I'm showing you around. I know there are those ones who are new here and you don't know where I come from. This is my village, my real village home. So that's why I was just showing you around, and we do like a tea plantation here. Yeah. What's up? This is your girl Grace Mission. Here I am. It's another evening actually. I am talking live from the village. So I was just showing you around, and actually it has started like raining. So like I don't know what I can say. Maybe there are those ones who are new here. That's why I was showing you around. And this is the village. You can see other people down there near the side. That's where they are living, maybe. And here, yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love that you usually show me here. And these are the fences here. These are the fences. The fences here. You have to take like some trees. You split the trees, and then you come and fence with it. So even the chicken cannot pass here. This is the local fence that is used here. So I don't know how outside it is. Maybe some of other people can use wires, but then to our side here, we are using this local fence here. Yeah, you can see how it is. Like this one is a stump of a tree. Oh yes. So thank you so much. I don't know. I was just giving a brief of our village, a very little brief of our village, and if you are outside there, Thank you so much. I really appreciate how you come to support me. It has started raining, so usually from the other side, there's a time that this road here had it was making it was muddy, but now they had repaired it. They had put some mud. Now even if it rains, we don't have any problem so. Yeah, leave a comment, sweet comment, if your village is like this, or what do you think about the village? Like now, the weather keeps on changing at the village. See, even it's how it is. Yeah, there was someone is coming. Hello. That's my sister. We don't have power. 3 days now, like 4. So we take our phones so our neighbor here, they have power, but us we don't have. So we are just starving. We don't have power now 4 days. I don't know if outside there it's like that. Actually, we are starving. We don't have power. If anyone who is who's working at a power at power company, Kenya power company, please consider us. Also here at the village, we don't have power. Thank you so much. I may end up this video here. Bye bye. Ciao, bye. Thank you.